For years, Prince Harry has insisted that without proper protection, returning to the UK with his family is simply not safe. Now, after losing his legal challenge to automatically regain police security, there appears to be a major shift. According to reports from The Mirror, the Home Office has quietly ordered a full threat assessment for Harry, the first since 2020, when he stepped back as a working royal. Sources close to the Duke have told the publication they are confident the review could restore his security, potentially changing everything. Throughout this battle, Harry has argued that the lack of security made it impossible for him to bring Meghan, Archie, and Lilibet back to the UK. In previous interviews referenced by the BBC and People, Harry also claimed the issue created serious distance between him and his father, King Charles. The king has reportedly only seen his grandchildren a handful of times, with Archie and Lilibet growing up in California. Meghan, meanwhile, has not returned to Britain since 2022, when Queen Elizabeth II died. Former BBC royal correspondent Jenny Bond believes a security win could change Harry's next move. Speaking to The Mirror, Bond said Harry has always maintained that security is the biggest barrier to reconciliation, and if that barrier is removed, it would make sense for him to finally bring his children to experience their British heritage. She added that many people would welcome seeing King Charles reunited with the son he once called his darling boy, and with grandchildren he barely knows. However, Jenny Bond was far less convinced about Meghan returning to the UK. In her comments to The Mirror, she said the Duchess appears settled in California and may not want to face possible hostility in Britain. Bond suggested that while Harry and possibly the children could visit more often, Meghan may continue to stay away, making her absence the biggest unresolved question. There has also been speculation that restored security could allow Harry to spend more time in the UK and even support the monarchy during a period when working royals are few. But Jenny Bond dismissed that idea in the same Mirror interview, stressing that the half-in, half-out model was firmly rejected. She added that allowing Harry to return as a working royal, even part-time, would be deeply unfair to Prince William, who has remained fully committed to royal duty. Despite this, a symbolic reunion could already be on the horizon. According to reports in the UK press, Harry has offered King Charles a special role at the Invictus Games, which return to the UK next year. If accepted, father and son could appear together on stage at the opening ceremony in Birmingham, their most significant public moment together in years. At present, Harry must inform the Metropolitan Police a month before any UK visit, with his protection decided on a case-by-case basis. Court documents previously cited by the UK media reveal his legal team warned this arrangement put his life at stake. Those fears intensified when it emerged, as reported by The Mirror, that a known stalker came within yards of Harry during a London visit last year, hiding inside a hotel bathroom shortly before his arrival. Jenny Bond believes the imminent decision would be a clear vindication for Harry. Speaking again to The Mirror, she noted that his threat level has not changed. He's still the king's son, still fifth in line to the throne, and still a former army officer who served in Afghanistan. In her words, Harry and his family remain obvious targets, making the case for restored security stronger than ever.